This is the elevator, the Reno Amtrak station in Reno, Nevada. It's a Minnesota elevator. Hey!
What's going on?
It's not much.
It's a Minnesota elevator?
Yeah. Oh, yes. Going up. Street level. I'm taking a ride. Whoa, 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 whoa. There you go. It's a Minnesota elevator.
What makes it different?
It's slow. This indicator. Excuse me, please. Here we go. Listen to the motor. Right, listen. Elevator 3219. Still on this one before?
She's still there. You see it? The train's still there. Oh yeah, I'll get on now.
I think it's also their designated break. Here we are at the street.
They'll probably be here for 10 minutes.
There you go.
They were running quite late.
There you go.
Thank you, Mr. Elevator Man.
You're welcome. Have a good day. You have a good day. Platform. Just your basic Amtrak style elevator. Innovation Decorator, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Let's latch out the window again. There's another Minnesota elevator. That's a service. Here's the platform. That's a nice motor. Going up?
Yes.
Let's take another ride here.
Sorry?
Door closed button works. We like that. Here we go. Nice motor. My first elevator I've ever filmed in Nevada. I do videos of elevators as a hobby.
Oh, okay.
Here it's street level. Platform.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Let's get a cat. Let's look up the shaft. Yeah, it's a pure Minnesota elevator. It's a pure Minnesota elevator. Elevator 3219. This is actually an MEI elevator, not a Kone. Here we go. It's a nice station. First Minnesota elevator I've ever filmed in the state of Nevada. I'm in the Silver State. Here we're back at platform level. This could use reflex leveling. Going out.